Xtract, Animal. Here we go. Yeah, AFG, GMV Savage.
Yeah, you already know what it is, big baby. Swang on the beat. Animal. Let's go.
I see some shit that turns a lot of things to fake. Feeling like an animal and shit I ain't never been taken. In society, inspiring me every step of the way. I'm in beast mode, making my place up in the game. I wrote with the shit, I speak with a flame. Motherfuckers didn't remember when they hear, but my name in the game. Put it to the wine, ice in the veins. Fuck boys never change, everyone is the same. So if you speak, go seek another place, cause talk is cheap. And if you're aiming at my trailers, you know that shit is out of reach. Cause I bleed and I swear, 10 crooked to an hour, shoot toes, we slept. Got a lot of feelings out like a beast on 2 feet. Got the earth, got a piece, and the things that'll charge all the rage with me. Like an animal, animal heathen to all the heathenful, unseizable, untouchable, unreachable, unduckable. All the things that are being touchable, untouchable, extract next. You should stop what's impossible. I see some shit that turns a lot of things to fake. Feeling like an animal and shit I ain't never been taken. In society, inspiring me every step of the way. I'm in beast mode, making my place up in the game.
These words could never even come close to how I do it. Sipping steady on that fluid. If you think I'm out of the loop, you must be clueless and stupid. I've been had the honor, you fools is craving when it come to creating, captivating entertainment. I'm way past highest elevations of anything encompassing amazement. I kick it local, lucidly lacing these vocals, but these girls still screaming for me like I'm famous. I'm treasure excavating, I dream chasing you slow pacing. I'm rapidly blazing like Detroit building says vacant. The whole game is a victim to this asinine arsonist enslavement. Don't hate the ball, I hate the rules by which he playing. It goes without saying, I dictate the rule and I'm closed.
I see some shit that turns a lot of things to fake. Feeling like an animal and shit I ain't never been taken. In society, inspiring me every step of the way. I'm in beast mode, making my place up in the game.
When I get high, it feels like I can float like a boat. You don't wanna see what's in my coat, cause it will take off your throat. And when I come through, man, I ain't gon' leave a nice note. And y'all ain't holding my swag. What the fuck y'all talking about? It's like playing that tag. When I put the beam upon you, then I commute and I leave from the scene so clean. I'm getting this green. Y'all say it taking over, but y'all getting took over. You talking shit, y'all brains will be on the floor. And I'm getting this money, but I gotta get more. And I'm hotter than shit that's new in the store. And I'm stacking this door like never before. I be snapping in the booth and letting everybody know that I'm the truth. Don't fuck with me, cause I will have your ass disappear like poof. Remember, 4 favors match the outcome, but the trick is tragic. I'm savage, and when it comes to the game, better know that I ain't no lame. And if I fuck with me, motherfucker, you will never be the same. I'm a beast that cannot be tamed. GOBLIN is what I've been named.
I see some shit that turns a lot of things to fake. Feeling like an animal and shit I ain't never been